Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find and change or manage sound settings on EMPORIA Smart 4. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on this gear icon in top corner in the top middle of our screen, and then click on More Settings. Scroll all the way down and find System Settings. Now locate the sound, and from here you'll be able to change the settings. The first settings visible are the volumes for all the sounds, like media volume, call volume, ring volume or alarm volume, and you can simply adjust them by sliding this slider. You can enable to vibrate for calls or disable it, turn on the do not disturb mode or simply turn it off. And we've shown you how to manage that setting in our other video, so if you're interested, go check it out. Now, next options are the shortcut to prevent ringing, so you can enable the shortcut and change its settings to vibrate or mute entire sound and vibration as well. Next is the phone ringtone, and here if you press on it, you'll be able to pick the sound for your ringtone. The same with default notification sound, you also can pick your sound for that. If you press on advanced, there will be more options shown, and there's a default alarm sound. So here you can pick the sound to be set as default for alarms. Next is dial pad tones, and this comes to the sounds when you're typing in any numbers to call. So if you enable it, you will hear the sounds. If not, you will not hear them. Next is a screen locking sound. So if you enable it and lock your screen, you'll hear a little sound. Next is a charging sounds and vibrations. So if you start charging, plug in your phone to the charger, you'll hear the sound and vibration. Touch sounds, if you enable it, you'll hear the sounds when you touch the screen. Touch vibration, if you enable or disable it, you'll feel vibrations of your phone. The last option is a sound enhancement, and here if you enable it, you'll get the volume booster for a speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.